Good morning. I want to deal with an issue this morning that has been bothering me for a while. Watching a lot of philosophy videos on YouTube. And I think there's nothing better to do than watch philosophy videos on YouTube. It's one of the most delightful things that I do. But I find a consistent chorus, and it seems to be fairly common, and that is, when we get to ethics, which is what's right and what's wrong, we arrive at a point where the person says, well, ethics, of course, is subjective. Ethics, in my view, is the only thing, virtually, that is not subjective. In other words, the kind of relativity that we are in, which is rational, because we can't easily determine the ultimate truth of anything. Yes, that is sort of the soup we're in. But in the middle of this, there is an ethic, which in my view is the only thing in all of reality that is in fact objective. Why do I say that? Because I believe that we are on a journey from, an evolutionary journey from being violent and harmful to being nonviolent and decent and good. And I think that can be shown by all kinds of documentation that shows that we've gotten a little bit beyond the old Genghis Khan thing of putting flat surfaces down and trampling on them so that you crush people underneath. Really. Well, maybe we haven't gotten beyond it with various holocausts and such. But numerically, in terms of the kind of advancement of restraint, we have in fact improved. We've extended our lifespan. We have risen up in terms of economic well-being, even though we have this desperate contradiction of most economic wisdom when we look at the spread between the 1% and the rest of the world. But back to my subject, ethics is objective. What is it? Well, it's not that difficult to say what it is. Ethics is harm being evil, hurt being evil, and prefacing those two terms, harm and hurt, with conscious. In other words, when we act by choice, consciously, to inflict harm and hurt, yes, we are participating in and doing evil. And if we do that sort of as government policy, by stocking up masses of weapons and such a thing, we are participating in evil. What is good? good is ultimately love, self-giving love, yes. But we don't have self-giving love actually pouring out all the time. It is anything that serves the uplifting, the well-being, the helping, the tolerance of, and all kinds of things that make for betterment. It's so simple. Ethics is good. Yes, we know what good is. And evil. We know what evil is. Evil is harm. Good is being decent and open and loving to others and free. So, yes, we could go on and on and on, but if we do not arrive at the conclusion that ethics is objective, we will be doing ourselves a great disservice. Thank you.